Now then, let's talk about Barclays. It's completed the sale of its Egyptian units to Morocco's Attijariwafa Bank. It will result in a reduction of about $2.5 billion in the bank's risk-weighted assets. Barclays says the sale will boost its core capital ratio marginally by about 0.1%. Now, the UK-based bank has started to carry out plans to dispose assets not deemed to be core to the business strategy, which is now focused entirely on the US and Britain as well. Let's get the latest details on exactly how the sale went down. Yasser Hakim is live in Cairo at the moment. Yasser, this Moroccan bank is the largest in that country by revenue, but what are they getting out of this sale? What is the value proposition for them to expand the operations in Egypt?
They say that for Egypt, it's a big market. They see on the medium and long term, very promising results will come out of there. They see that it's a growing market in the banking system, that more retail and investments can be taking place. And also it's part of their own strategy to grow in the region, in Africa and the Middle East. So I think it's a springboard for them. They've tried to come to Egypt before in 2013, trying to acquire BNP Paribas, and they failed. And the winner that day was the one that lost this deal, which is the Emirati bank, National Dubai Bank. So it's kind of, they took over from their competitor this time. They managed to acquire Barclays to sort of bring into life a long-term, let's say, plan to go into the Egyptian market.
Indeed. So now that they own these assets, what about their strategy moving forward? Are they going to keep the same strategy Barclays Egypt had, or are they going to change how they do business and focus on an entirely different clientele altogether?
Now, Barclays is sold off, but it was on a good footing. It had 56 branches, 127,000 clients, 1,600 very well trained and qualified employees. So they're taking an operation that's been working smoothly, but they're building on it. They're trying to expand more cities in Egypt, trying to get into the investment sector more, as well as trying to integrate and merge its operations in Egypt with the Maghreb, with East Africa, as well as the Middle East. And this is something Barclays has not managed to do. Even when they tried to sell their Africa division, they discovered that they have been working very much independently as independent institution. All the Barclays units in Africa were not as one big Barclays umbrella. And this is what the Moroccan bank wants to do, the Wafa Attijariya, saying that they want to be one big bank that has branches in several markets in Africa and the Middle East, and can merge and increase the investments and flow of money throughout these different countries.
Indeed. Thank you very much for that. That, of course, Yasser Hakim there updating us on the latest development in company news, especially on that side of the world.